Hustle asks for more of you. Systems ask less and give back more. Let me tell you about Tom. Tom's 57. He retired early, then dove into a new business idea, full of excitement. For a while, he thrived on hustle. Long hours, late nights, total control. But a year in, burnout hit. Not because Tom lacked motivation, but because hustle doesn't scale. What saved him? The hustle mindset tells you to just do more. But after 50, energy is a precious resource. Time is more valuable. Clarity is non-negotiable. Hustling harder turns you into the system. A system is just a repeatable way to solve a problem without thinking from scratch. A morning checklist is a system. A client welcome email template is a system. Auto-scheduling your weekly content, that's a system. Think of systems as delegated brainpower. They save time, reduce stress, and increase consistency. Chaos feels productive. It's noisy, fast, and reactive. But calm is where clarity lives. Systems create calm success. No more reinventing the wheel. Less decision fatigue. Let's break down a simple system, posting content once a week. Step 1, outline on Monday. Step 2, record on Tuesday. Step 3, schedule on Wednesday. Rinse. Repeat. Don't chase hustle. Build systems. Start with clarity, not chaos. I've created a simple guide to help you design your first system, even if you're starting from scratch. Clarity first. Free guide below.